World Cup playoff tournament. The winner stays alive and returns to play Chile. Starters and two subs reappear from the penalty shootout win over Tunisia that qualified them for this tournament, including 17-year-old goal-scoring prodigy Hapsatu Jalapine puts out a very young lineup. Their average age is 22. They're led by star teenage strikers Dumornay and Borgella. Miami City goalkeeper Curly Hughes stands at just 5 foot.
Show our solidarity with the people of Aotearoa, New Zealand, Turkey and Syria.
Continent. It is they who get us underway in this FIFA Women's World Cup. To some calls of consternation from Senegal, their head coach is Nicolas Delapine, head coach, also coaches Grenoble. Opportunity on the break here now. One of these star strikers into the penalty area, and it's a great challenge coming in very late in the piece to deny Borgella. That was a beautiful... Borgella again, Louis. Cannons off Louis, and Senegal balls played out of the back. Chance here now for Senegal on the counter-attack. It's a rare moment in the vast majority of players involved playing for clubs in France. And that's a little bit of a really testing the patience of the officials. Haiti now into the area. Borgella, is she onside? Drags it wide. It wouldn't have counted. The flag does go up, but she does look the most likely outlet for Haiti. Onside with that pass, but clearly a metre delivered towards the keeper, and questions being asked of some young players at the top level. And goalkeeper Hughes happy to see that one just over the cross. Dumornay floats that one across. This will put the keeper under pressure, and flapping at it. Terror of this game suddenly opening up. Again putting some pressure on the keeper, again struggling. The penalty area, one-on-one around the keeper. Tight angle, looking for support, finds it off the line. Best chance of the match, and they scramble it away, Senegal. Well, end-to-end stuff, and it's Senegal. Borgella advancing, tries come in as favourites, so the longer this goes without a goal. Good cross played in, having to be off her lines again, right wing side, just tries to measure that pass into the penalty area. This time goes far post and just beyond. Players sent towards the far post, and the opening goal. Well, eventually it came, and it was from set-piece play. Kethna Louis with the header, and the tactic of just crowding that near post area perhaps playing a part. Tening Sene unable to get off her line, and it is Haiti whose dominance of possession. Oh, they're queuing up for Senegal. Powerful header just going wide. And Nicolas Delapine, I'm sure, would love the comfort of a set. A little bit towards the far post, and it was that same player, the goal scorer, that even they appear to be struggling at times. Swung into the area. Oh, job was Borgella. It was the striker back there helping out. Senegal still there, still there. Now it comfortably collected. The offside flag is up anyway. Or challenge here from Sao, and again a yellow card, so that's 5. And of more concern is the fact that Roselord Borgella is lying injured in the background. Oh, cleared away, but Kethna Louis, first half goal scorer, sent back in. Oh, they're queuing up here, Haiti. They must score, and they do score. The flag stays down. Well, perhaps they've paid the biggest price here, Senegal, for having one of their centre-backs off the park. And while the celebrations continue, I can tell you that VAR are checking. Communication there with the referee. And there is a check underway. But this was slow motion. The ball was played in by De Mornay, and there appeared to be half the Haitian team. Mondesir, the goal scorer, the skipper away, and that surely's going to be offside here. It's missed anyway. The flag goes up, and that's poor attacking lines from the youngster Borgella. She had full line of sight across the park. And they should set up here, take their time, get players forward. And opportunity being. A couple of players in the air. Well, lovely turn, Borgella. She thinks about the shot on goal off the crossbar. Well, that had Sene stretching, but ultimately they go again. A chance here, Borgella. Does she look for support from her captain? Does she? She doesn't need it. Borgella, she's been pressing, and now she scored. 3-0. Haiti surely on the way to a sudden death match with Chile. Little that Sene could do. She was left exposed, and she was composed. Took her time. She did have support on this near side here from her skipper. Paused once, twice, and then pulled the trigger. Over the top, oh, this could really open up now. Borgella again. Borgella, great touch, and surely scores. And they are turning this into a rout. They are turning this into a rout, and just off our picture, there is another showing of ill discipline, but let's for the moment stay focused on this young lady. There's been a yellow card given in the aftermath of this, but the strength here again from Borgella, just a touch there and composed with the finish. Clearly onside. It's just the one player to aim for. It's well won in midfield. Here's a chance now. If they get one, you never know. And that just goes wide. Tackle. Flicked across. She might score here, Louis. First touch let her down. If she'd been able to control possession, has no support. Now rolls a pass. Shooting chance. Batted away. And then just hoofed away by Senegal. There's a few tied the bench for Haiti. Problem is she often outruns her support, so this late in the match drives that one across.